Hi everyone, here's Giselle Sangari with you. We are #1 A to Z cookware project solution provider. We can help you set up your own cookware factory. We supply the machines, molds, consumables for making the stainless steel or aluminum pots and pans, pressure cooker, couscous pot, lunchbox, etc. Here is our mold center. We can provide you the different molds according to your different designs. Here's our washing line and non-stick coating line factory, which makes the non-stick cookware pots and pans. We can also supply the washing line for metalware. This is our Chief Engineer Tang.
大家好，我是唐在超。
Engineer Tang has 27 years experience in powder and non-stick coating production. Our overseas engineer team will go to your factory for installation and debugging. Here is our Chief Engineer Fan.
Hi, I am Fan. I am responsible for training installation and worker training and creating your delete production.
Now we are in our factory taking trial for customers. Before shipment, we'll make sure our production line meets your product requirements. Call us, own your own factory.